Are you looking for a spacious 4 bedroom, 3 bathrooms, almost 3,000 square feet of living space on about 5,500 to a 6,000 square foot lot home here in Elk Grove, California? Well, if your answer is yes, this is the video for you today. We are touring Risewell Homes, which is the builder in the Arbor Ranch community here in the 95757 zip code of Elk Grove. We're going to be looking at their almost 3,000 square feet home called the Bungalows 2928. 2928 is the square feet. On the outside of it, the house looks very, very spacious. Where you see the two large glass doors on the left of your screen, that is where typically the garage, the two-car garage would be, since the sales team is using the garage space in this model home as a sales office. Therefore, you see the two doors kind of leading into that open garage space area. And again, that's where the sales team sits at the moment, but traditionally that would be your two-car garage. This beautiful home is $850,000, 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom located on the ground floor. Spacious floor plan. Let's get you inside. And as soon as we are inside, one of the immediate first things my client noticed is just the high ceilings in the entryway. As soon as you come in, you have plenty of space and sunlight flowing into this floor plan. We're going to show you the downstairs bedroom and bathroom and the rest of the home. But again, taking the camera angle up to the ceiling here, very spacious, like I said, tons of natural sunlight in this beautiful home. To the right of your screen, you'll have the full bathroom and the bedroom, which we're going to get to in the next few minutes. There is also a flex room in the hallway towards the right. We're going to come back to a little bit later in the video to that as well. But first, I want to show you the beautiful open floor plan and the kitchen area that this floor plan has to offer. One of the immediate asks of our clients is that they want open floor plan when it comes to the family room and the kitchen. And as you can see in the video, it is very clearly shown here that the floor plan really stands out. You have beautiful kitchen cabinetry, and you also have a lot of space on the right hand side for the family room. Tons of windows also for that natural sunlight to flow in. This specific home, 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, is listed at about $850,000. The square footage of the house is 2,928, so almost 3,000. The lot size of this home, depending on which lot size you pick, is going to be about 5,500 square feet lot to about 6,000 square feet lot. There is a covered patio in the backyard, which is also very lengthy and kind of covers the whole backside of the house. Additional backyard space as well for you to entertain your family and friends. Plenty of space in the middle for a full-sized dining table as well. With Risewell, what you see is sort of what you get, and I say sort of because some of this cabinetry that you see could be an upgraded option, and we're going to talk about that a little bit later in the video. Just giving you a sneak peek into the backyard through the large glass doors here. Like I said, very spacious and large backyard patio. Plenty of room for additional backyard patio furniture. Plenty of space in the backyard as well for you to entertain your family and friends, and of course, to enjoy the sunny weather of California. Talking a little bit about Risewell Homes, one of the premier builders here in Elk Grove. This specific community is called the Bungalows, which is a sub-community, part of the overall Arbor Ranch floor plan, master plan community in Elk Grove. We are touring the Bungalows floor plan. In addition to this house, they also have a lot of other sub-communities as well, where you get 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, maybe 2,200 square feet up to about 2,500 square feet. The price range of those homes is about $700,000 to about $750,000. This house is at 850, but it has a lot more space. It also has a flex room and it also has a loft upstairs that we're going to show you a little bit later in the video. Coming back into the kitchen area, like I said, beautiful cabinetry going all the way up to the ceiling. You have stainless steel appliances included, with the exception of the refrigerator. Certain homes have that included, but most new build move-in ready homes will not have that, but you'll still get the microwave, the dishwasher, the oven. Those stainless steel appliances are included. Beautiful walk-in pantry as well for you to store your groceries. The flooring that you see in this house, whether it's going to be carpet in the bedroom downstairs or the stairs or even on the second floor, and also the hardwood flooring that you see in the kitchen, in the family room, and also into the entryway, all that is included in the price. So when I say $850,000, that means you get a move-in ready home at that price. There is no additional markups, there's no additional lot premiums. 850 is what you pay, and the house that you're looking at, of course, without all the staging and the decorations, is the house you'll get. Plenty of space in this kitchen as well, for more than person to be mobile around the kitchen. Like I said, beautiful cabinetry, of course, beautiful backsplash as well. I was going to say a different builder's name. Sorry about that little hesitation there. Risewell Homes is, like I said, is one of the most premier builders in Elk Grove, and they really pride themselves on the quality of their homes. So if you compare them to perhaps other builders, such as maybe Lennar or Beazer or other builders, they claim that they have higher quality homes. This builder, Risewell, is actually one of the newer builders on the block compared to the other ones, so they also have a reputation to maintain. Therefore, another reason why they focus heavily on the quality of their home. Towards the right of it, that door will guide you into the 2-car garage, and it can also be a 3-car tandem garage depending on the lot size that you pick. But since it's a sales office, we're not basically taking the camera to that side of the house. Here is the flex room that I was referring to. Right now, it is currently situated and designed to be a dining room. But again, you take the dining table out and put some nice couch here. That becomes your guest room, maybe an additional family room, playpen for your kids, or it could also be a home office if you are a hybrid or a work from home employee, of course. Outside of this flex room on the ground floor, we're also going to show you the downstairs bedroom and the full bathroom, which is also very, very convenient if you're a multi-generational family. Maybe you have family or friends visiting, maybe an adult child who lives with you. So it's really convenient to have that privacy on the bottom floor with the full-sized bedroom and also the full bathroom located downstairs. And that's what you're looking at on your screen. And while you do that, I'm going to talk a little bit more about additional incentives that Risewell Homes is offering. So in addition to the great price of $850,000 for this almost 3,000 square feet home, you also have the option to get 4.99 30-year locked interest rate, which is costing the builder roughly from $25,000 to about $40,000, depending on what the market rates are. So that is additional incentive that the builder is offering to move-in ready home clients. So if this floor plan does speak to you and it kind of meets your needs from a house perspective, you might want to consider giving us a call so we can negotiate with Risewell and get you an even better deal and also help you lock that 4.99 interest rate 30-year lock. In addition to that, our team also negotiates heavily with the builder to give you closing cost credit. So that way your cost is minimal in addition to the down payment. And we negotiate that with the builder to make sure the builder is able to cover all of it, if not most of it, to make sure that you get to keep additional money in your pocket and get you to have more savings when you're buying a house. Coming up to the second floor, beautiful loft area that we're going to get to. And on the left side of it, you'll have 2 additional bedrooms and a hallway bathroom. And before we show you all of that, we do want to get inside the beautiful master bedroom as well. And again, here is another view on your screen right now on how spacious that entryway is and how high those ceilings are to give you that beautiful sunlight coming into the house. Standard ceiling size is about 9 feet, both upstairs and downstairs. So you get plenty of space and sunlight through that way also, that the ceiling is a bit higher than what you're traditionally used to in homes, which could be about 8 feet, but in these homes it is about 9 feet ceilings. Coming into the master bedroom, very spacious here as well. Plenty of room in this master bedroom to put your furniture and still have room to move around. A lot of our Bay Area clients or clients from SoCal that move here, that's one of the things they realize, because homes tend to be a lot more smaller on that side of the state, especially in the Bay Area. And when they come into a city like Elk Grove, they're blown away by the space they get in this beautiful master bedroom. And we're trying to show you different angles of this specific bedroom to kind of show you in the video how spacious that is. And of course, we're going to get you into the master bathroom as well, which will have double sink, standing shower, a walk-in closet, and plenty of space here as well in this bathroom. And of course, the closet is going to be spacious enough as well for you. And we're going to give you a sneak peek into that in the next few seconds. Here's a little sneak peek into the backyard as well. It's a little bit dark in the closet, so it's difficult to see, but be assured that that closet space is very, very spacious. Talking a little bit about Arbor Ranch. Arbor Ranch is located in the 95757 zip code of Elk Grove, which is one of the fastest growing zip codes in the country. We have a lot of new construction happening by Risewell Homes. We have Lennar Homes. We have Beezer Homes. And we also have Taylor Morrison and KB Homes building in this community. Risewell, like I mentioned, is a premier builder. They have 4 sub-communities. So if this house is perhaps too large or maybe too small and you need a larger home, Risewell Homes offer those options within an Arbor Ranch. We have videos of those homes on our channel as well. So do subscribe and check out the playlist. And we would be happy to help you. And of course, me, Sandeep Singh, a local realtor and an expert on new construction homes here in Elk Grove, can also be a great source for you. So if you are considering a move to Elk Grove, do consider giving us a call. I actually have a client who closed on this exact floor plan just a couple of weeks ago. They got the property at $850,000 as well. And we were able to get them the 4.99 interest rate as well. And they are a happy family because they were moving here from San Francisco and they got a spacious home. They're going to be enrolling their child in the school system here locally. And talking about the school system here, all 3 elementary, middle, and high schools are within a 5-minute drive time. Elementary is actually going to be walking distance once they have the new school ready to take enrollments starting 2027. And an elementary school was just announced a few weeks ago around this community that is going to be probably 2 minutes of walking distance to the elementary school. Coming outside here, again into the loft. A lot of people love the loft because again, this could be additional entertaining space for you to entertain family and friends. Again, could be a kids play area. Could also be a home office. Some of my clients convert their loft into a home theater. So the options are endless when it comes to that. We're going to show you the remaining 2 bedrooms, the hallway bathroom, full bathroom upstairs, and also the laundry room within the next few minutes. So do enjoy that while I talk about a few of the other important things. One other thing I want to mention is that the school rating, like I talked about, is either 9 or above. So elementary school, middle school, and high school are all 3 ranked 9 out of 10 or higher. So do consider that as well, that Arbor Ranch is going to be a great place to have great schools surrounding your neighborhood, which also gives you an upside for future growth and future equity builder for your home, because prices tend to increase a lot higher in areas that have neighboring schools that are walking distance and also schools that have great ratings. In addition to that, city is also heavily investing in 95757 zip code with brand new commercial development, brand new schools we already talked about, and there's going to be top-notch, well-maintained parks and trails and walking pathways that the city is going to be building over the next few months and into the few more years to really upscale this 95757 zip code in general. So like I said, if you have any questions about moving to Elk Grove, whether you're planning to move 2 days from now, 2 months from now, or 2 years from now, it's never too late or never too early to start a conversation with the local realtor expert. So do consider giving us a call about that. And we, of course, also help clients move across the street. We help clients move across the state and also across the country into this beautiful city. So if you fit into any of those categories, our team can help. Icing on cake is that I do not charge any of my buyer clients any fees. We negotiate that directly with the seller, in this case, the builder. So if you choose to work with me, you get top-notch service, a local expert who will make the builders negotiate with each other to give you the best price and incentives. And while also you'll never have to pay me any commission, any fees, because we negotiate that directly with the seller and of course the builder in this case. Let's talk a little bit more about the city in general. City is one of the fastest growing, Elk Grove is one of the fastest growing suburbs in California. It was recently ranked #1 in California and #6 in the overall West Coast. And the article was published by Livability, which is a research-based firm that surveys the areas. They look at, new development from a housing perspective, school ratings, quality of life, and their research published, which mentioned Elk Grove as #1 suburb to move into in the state of California and #6 overall in the West Coast. We're going to wrap up the video here soon. I hope you have enjoyed the model home tour here. Again, they have move-in ready homes at about $850,000. And if you're interested in buying this model home with all the appliances and all the cabinetry, upscale, lot size, everything included, the price of the model home is about $950,000. So if you want all the bells and whistles that you see in the model home, the price will be about $950,000. But if you want to buy a move-in ready home, the price will be $850,000. Give us a call. My number is in the description of the video.